.NET REACTOR Product Overview, Unmatched .NET Code Protection System, which completely stops any decompiling. Protect your software in a safe and simple way without worrying how to protect your intellectual property. Obfuscation. .NET REACTOR prevents reverse engineering by adding different protection layers to your .NET assemblies. Besides standard obfuscation techniques, it includes special features like NecroBit, virtualization, x86 code generation, or anti-tampering. .NET REACTOR is the only tool which offers code encryption for Windows, Linux and OS X. Licensing. .NET REACTOR offers a fully managed licensing solution for .NET applications and libraries. You can directly apply trial versions to already compiled assemblies and hardware lock license files. If required, there is an SDK to programmatically load license files and check the license status. Frameworks. .NET REACTOR supports all .NET implementations, including .NET Framework, .NET 5.0 to 8.0, .NET Core, and ASP.NET Core. This way there is full protection support for Xamarin, Unity and Blazor assemblies. Integration. You can use .NET REACTOR through the intuitive GUI or via command line. Our command line generator makes it very easy to use .NET REACTOR in scripts. A Visual Studio add-in and DevOps tasks help you to integrate Reactor into your build environments. Stop your work from being stolen or used without payment. .NET REACTOR protects your intellectual property in a powerful and reliable way. It does everything an obfuscator does, but wraps your intellectual property in several more layers of protection, denying access to your source code to those who are determined to steal your hard work. Protection features like NecroBit make reconstruction of your source code more difficult by so many orders of magnitude that it is one of the most effective protection features you can use for your .NET assemblies. No other tool offers this level of protection for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X.祺Enterprise distributes and sells software with the aim of offering clients guidance when choosing software, as well as technical support.